The most unique thing about the University of Charleston is the fact that we offer embedded portfolios. In your university class, you will be given the opportunity to do your speech portfolio within the course of the 2 semesters that you're taking university. That's something that a lot of schools don't offer. The other part of your first year experience is your natural science, your social science, your humanities class. And in those courses, you will write papers, and you will take those papers and put them in an online portfolio for English. So you're going to get 6 hours of credit for one course that you're going to sit through for the semester. So it's an awesome opportunity for students to be able to show that they are good writers without having to actually sit through a second course.
I have some friends at bigger schools, and they say that communicating with the professors was very difficult at times, but the class sizes at UC allow you to have a more personal relationship with your professors, and so that really has helped me out.
During my first year, I was able to be more involved in my community through community service, and by doing so, I was able to build my leadership skills and find new leadership opportunities.
As a first-year student, I found that getting adjusted to college has been incredibly easy with the first-year program, the advisors, mentors, and peer educators, and how they work with freshman students to get used to college and the curriculum and scheduling and the responsibilities associated with it.
Peer educators positively impact our students by helping them reach their full potential and showing them that they can succeed. I constantly see students going to PEs and asking them for advice and asking them to do things with them, and that's even after they've gone beyond the first year.